Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT X70, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages, you are going to be looking for battery saver. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it, and it gets enabled, and that's it. Now, one thing to keep in mind is battery saver typically turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using it. So if you encounter that your notifications are just kind of delayed in being delivered or just not being delivered to you at all when you're not using the device, then this is primarily caused by the battery saver. Once you're done with it, you can turn it off, and obviously everything will go back to functioning as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.